Understanding the phrase, return serve, in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, return serve. This is a common expression in English, often used in both literal and metaphorical contexts. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English idioms, this video is for you. Return serve originates from the sport of tennis. In tennis, when one player serves the ball, the opponent tries to hit it back. This action is called a return serve. It's a basic yet crucial part of the game, requiring skill and quick reaction. Understanding this literal meaning helps in grasping the metaphorical use of the phrase in everyday English. In everyday language, return serve is used metaphorically to describe a situation where someone responds to a challenge, question, or action in a quick and effective manner. For example, if someone asks a difficult question and you respond with a clever answer, you're metaphorically returning the serve. Let's look at some examples. 1. In a debate, when one debater makes a point and the other quickly counters with a strong argument, they are returning the serve. 2. In conversation, if someone makes a joke and you quickly come up with a witty reply, you've returned the serve. Use return serve in situations that involve quick, clever responses. Remember, it's often used in contexts where there's a back-and-forth dynamic, similar to a tennis match. Avoid using it in situations that are serious or somber, as it's generally associated with lighter, more playful interactions. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, return serve, and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. It's a fun and expressive way to describe quick-witted responses. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be returning serves like a pro in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.